In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Firstly, you need to open Messages app. Then select one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now click on Pictures category and tap on the one that you wish to add. In my case, this one. So when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!